Pecan Hill Farms. Back in the kitchen today. I was reading online about a recipe that's like all the rage right now because everybody is like shut in their house and they're making their own breads and doing some more baking than normally would. And so out of this cookbook from about 1932, peanut butter bread. Supposedly everybody's trying it. So we're going to try it here at Pecan Hill Farms. And because I like sweets, and you can tell I eat too many sweets, but it sounded interesting. Doesn't take much at all to do it. Never done it before, but that's what they say. So here we go. Number one, we got 2 cups of flour. Put that in a bowl. We got a half a cup of sugar. Put that in. We got a half a teaspoon of salt. That's in. We got 4 teaspoons of baking powder. That's in. Now, stir that up. Get all that stirred up real good. I've set my oven to 325. I have greased a loaf pan. Okay? So let's stir the dry together. Now, they say put in 1 1/3 cups of milk. They say mix that together. So here we go. We'll mix that together. Okay, it's mixed together. Now they say put in the half a cup of peanut butter. So here we go. Okay. Let's get some more of that out of there because there's nothing better than good old peanut butter. Get that in there. Okay. Looks like it right there. Go. A little peanut butter. Okay, here we go. Let's mix that together. It's pretty stiff. I guess it's supposed to be dough, isn't it? So, I guess that's mixed about as good as you're going to get it mixed. Now it's time to put it in the old loaf pan. Here we go. Wow, stiff stuff here. It's coming. I'm not what you call a professional baker. Smells good. Oh, get in there. I get this. I'm gonna spread around that loaf pan there. I guess that's what you do. Okay, let me get some more out of here. All right. Shove that down in there. All right. Not bad. Guess that's it. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, 1 hour. It's supposed to be ready. So we'll pause for a few minutes, for an hour, and we'll come back. Okay, we're back. There it is. It looks pretty ugly, but you know, you got to take consideration who's baking it. But anyway, there she blows. So now let's give it a cut here. I didn't keep it in there quite an hour. I didn't really have anything good to check. I couldn't find any good toothpick, so I used a little paintbrush, you know, stick in there. So we'll see. So I'm gonna get me a slice here. It's still warm. There you go. Looks pretty appealing. Let's give it the taste test. Well, probably could have used a little bit more peanut butter. I mean, there's a smell of peanut butter and a slight taste of peanut butter. Maybe I'm expecting more than more peanut butter taste than it should be. I guess now you take a slice of this, wipe it, put a little peanut butter on there, and then it really probably explode with peanut butter. But not bad. Not quite what I expected, but I think it's worth giving it a shot. And you might put a little bit more, half a cup of peanut butter, maybe, I don't know, a little bit more than that. Might just make it just fantastic. Or it could have been the guy who made it. But anyway, so there's our peanut butter bread. I'll give it a thumbs up. It's definitely an interesting slice of bread. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll see what else comes up that I try to bake. See y'all later.